Hello, a very good afternoon. We are students from the National University of Malaysia. So this is our project, which is a real-time system project, and this is our smart home alarm system. So my name is Fatima Kairunisa.
My name is Azim Achai Nathan.
My name is Uncle Sanya Amina.
Okay, you can explain.
Now I'm gonna explain. So our project is basically the objective is to connecting the Android and the Arduino via Bluetooth. So if you can see here, the Bluetooth is already connected, and then so the story is like this.
If the owner,
If the house owner wants to go out, and then he will press the button to activate the system. It's actually like the code, and then the code, for example, we put 1994. So the owner will click the keypad, and then here the system should be activated. Okay, the system is not active. So when the system is active, it will, if there is some movement inside where we put the motion sensor, then the alarm will be triggered. Okay, so if the owner wants to deactivate the alarm, so the owner have to insert the same code 1994 deactivate.
so the alarm is off now.
So the buzzer, the sound is off, and then with the same application we can turn on the LED or off. So this is the on button. Okay, this is the off button. Can you see? Okay, one more time. On, yeah, and off.
Yeah. Alright.
So that's basically the system. So we also put like a text box here and the button of call police. This is actually our plan to, if the buzzer goes off, and then notification will be here, some kind of notification like intruder alert or something. So then the owner can click the button and it will automatically call the police. But we haven't done it yet.
It's in future.
It's in our future plan.
Yeah.
Hopefully.
Hopefully, thank you. Bye.
Bye bye.
Bye.